Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in this video I'm going to share with you a very effective magical remedy for skin whitening and fairness tips to get skin whitening, fair, spotless and glowing skin with very simple and natural ingredients at home. We can prepare this magical remedy, and my friends, I promise you, if you use it overnight you will get a dramatic result that will shock you. The first thing we'll need, my friends, is 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and it's a table salt. It's the normal kitchen salt. And then, my friends, we need to add to this 1/2 teaspoon of rice flour, and we need to mix the ingredients very well and add to it a few drops of rose water and mix these ingredients very well. Rub gently your skin with it overnight, my friends, and then wipe it off with a tissue paper or wash it off. My friends, this will give you spotless and fair glowing skin with these just simple ingredients. Repeat this every night. You'll see your skin glowing and crystal clear. It whitens the skin tone naturally, and it will get you fair, spotless and glowing skin with these just simple ingredients. I hope this video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming simple and natural effective remedies like that. And I'll see you in my next video. So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.